Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us relate, transcribe and sound the following words together. Before transcribing them, I have to open up the slashes one after the other. Okay, I am opening up the slashes now. Alright, I'm done. The first word here is preserve. Preserve. And this is juice. And this one is cool. This is waste. And this one is fridge. This one is prevent. And this is good. And this one is spoilage. Okay, let me close them up and then we'll sound them together. Good, let's go. Preserve. Preserve. Juice. Juice. Cool. Cool. Waste. Waste. Fridge. Fridge. Prevent. Prevent. Good. Good. Spoilage. Spoilage. Let me go over it just once more. Preserve. Preserve. Juice. Juice. Cool. Cool. Waste. Waste. Fridge. Fridge. Prevent. Prevent. Good. Good. Spoilage. Spoilage. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video.